am happy to report, Deputy Leader, Minister of Finance, that as of Friday gone, the Water Commission has removed $600 million off of the backs of poor people, off of the backs of our pensioners, and they have already reconnected just under 3,000 Jamaicans who were suffering. But I go further. 22,000 Jamaicans have already made contact with the NWC. Of that 22,000, I am happy to report that 2,800 of them have already been reconnected. I am happy to report, and I'm giving you the exact numbers, that 3,200 are approved for connection, approved to get the write-off, just need to sign and they'll be connected in the coming week. The benefit. And because we're working through the benefits, because we're making sure that poor people get the help they need, because we're taking care of our pensioners, the Prime Minister instructed on Friday that we should extend the amnesty to help Jamaicans. There are more details to come, labor rights, but that is for Thursday. So I encourage you to remember and to tell all labor rights and all Jamaicans to tune in to the budget speech. But just know that as of tonight is $600 million of debt that poor people and pensioners did have to NWC that we write off, that Andrew Michael Holness write off to take care of pensioners with water. Now, I hear them now say that them going to introduce flat rate for pensioners.